Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Guys, this is serious, and whatever you're doing right now, stop it for 5 minutes and pay attention. I'm going to show you a few charts that I showed you over the last couple of weeks on Bitcoin. Just give you an update as to what's going on, because we're seeing price fall, and this is a powerful chart. If it sounded interesting, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're watching. Guys, it's super clean, super simple, and it's going to be a quick one, not too long. Before I go any further, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are my own personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. Take a look at this chart. I showed you about 3 weeks ago, and hold on, let me first tell you, I've got the 50-week moving average, which is the blue line, and I've got the 200-week moving average line, which is the red line. Every time we've looked back in the past and we've seen the price of Bitcoin break this blue line, it's always come straight down to the red line. And you can see that this holds true with every cycle that it's had. So, 2017's top came down, it bounced off it the first time, it broke it the second time, came straight down to this red line weeks to come. And let's just scroll back, because if you look back, 2013, 2014's top, same thing again. Look, got close to bouncing on it, or it had a wick here, bounced off of it, broke the line. The blue line came straight down in the future, down to the red line. Why am I showing you this? Because like I said to you before, if it happens and we break it, be prepared. And you can see here, since we've broken the blue line, we've got some back tests coming up, and I believe that we will soon eventually see it unfold, and we will be coming down to this red line. Where is it right now? Guys, it's sitting at around almost $20,000, $19,800. Now, it sounds crazy to think that, really? $19,000? It's sitting at like $40,000 now. Sounds crazy, but pay attention, because you don't want to be that person that believes it's going to go up to like 100,000 or 200,000, and then it flips on your damn face and then it falls down. So trying to keep it serious here, trying to keep it real. Just seriously pay attention to this chart here. If you want to grab it up, you can go on TradingView. It's totally free. Grab up the moving averages, the 50. Make it blue, 200 moving average, make it red, and just watch it over the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. You can use any chart you like. I'm using the BLX chart, Brave New Coin Liquidity Index for Bitcoin. That's the one I'm using because it seems more significant. But what I can say on the positive note is that Bitcoin, even though on the weekly, this chart here, it shows that we broke the blue line. It looks like we could be coming down in the future to the red line. There's some positive. What's the positive? Take a look at this. This is the Stochastic RSI for Bitcoin, and this indicates the momentum. What's happening right now that I can see is there's a shift in the momentum, and if Bitcoin can continue this momentum upwards, we could see a big retracement for Bitcoin. And to be fair, I've been calling a retracement for Bitcoin anyway. I've been telling you that it can go all the way up to like 60,000, 67,000, see this huge retrace way before it flips over and goes bearish again. But it all depends. Do you believe Bitcoin's reached its top? Because if you do, then the top for Bitcoin would have been this right here, 69, almost $70,000. Do you not believe it's its top? Well, if you don't believe it's its top, cool. Let's see if Bitcoin can come above, print a new all-time high should it break above this blue line again. But this is going to be the test of the time for Bitcoin, is this blue line, because it's powerful resistance now. Since it's broke it, it's powerful resistance. Why? Because when you look back, it's always found it hard to re-break it again. Look what happened in a bear market. Look, came up to it, the blue line here, tried to break it, rejected, fell down. Does it show the same thing back in 20? Well, we didn't even get close. So the closest it would have been is, fell down, tried to come back up to this blue line. This wick here would be classed as the retrace. Couldn't do it, fell down to the red line. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it can break it. But the positive note is that we are seeing some, positive movement to the upside in the Stochastic RSI. How do I know? Just to, for new people watching, when the blue line crosses the red line, let's just make this big. When the blue line crosses the red line, that is a signal that the trend is reversing, that we could see momentum move to the upside. I want to make the orange quite thick as well so you can see. And it's only when the blue line is above and it starts to come above. It needs to come above this sort of like, bluish mauvish area here. If it can come above this yellow line, then we can see some good buy power come back into Bitcoin. How do we know if it's bearish? Well, when the red line is in front of the blue line coming downwards, that's bearish momentum. That means people are looking to sell off. There's not much buy power coming in or anything else, right? So pay attention to this chart, seriously, because it will guide you on your journey. If you don't want to miss this stuff, because, you know, I keep my patrons up to date with this all the time, and, you know, they're going to be alerted exactly when I buy, when I sell, because you don't want to be that person that's holding on to your crypto, and, you know, especially Bitcoin, and it falls on your damn face because you haven't got a good sell alert and you don't know when to sell. Guys, become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. This is what I teach them. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. Why? Because this one unlocks all my posts. You can see when I buy, when I sell, when I stake. This one right here. If you want that little bit more, go for my CEO tier. Why? Because my CEO tier, the next one up, you can't see it. My fat African head's in the way. Well, what it is. It gives you my super alerts, and you will get access to my VIP Telegram group where I talk to you way before I do anything. It's all in that group, and you can see big money, big crypto profile users, you know, talking about big projects making crazy gains, things that you can't see on YouTube right now. They're buying. So same in the Patreon group, they can see it, right? People of the buy alerts. Going back to this then, so hold on, where are we? So that was pretty much the main thing that I wanted to show you. If we flip it on the daily, because, you know, prices are coming down right now, people are panicking. Look, you can see the momentum's coming down in the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI. Where are we going to go to? Where can the price fall to right now? Well, what I want to do, guys, is just quickly draw up a Fibonacci retracement. Now, people draw it in different ways and use different areas to draw it up, but I'm going to use the last crash that we actually, I'll tell you what, I'll go from 2018, the lowest, because, you know, in my eyes, this was the lowest of the bear market. Even though there was a crash in 2020, it didn't go lower than 2018. So I'm going to take it from 2018 and draw up a Fibonacci retracement from here all the way to the highest peak that we went right here, and you will get a good clear picture as to where we could possibly go. Now, usually these retracements are significant when it comes to how far a coin can go up or pull back. And if it pulls back, guys, I'm expecting it at the worst, the very worst, is to fall back down to this red line here. Will it do it? I don't know. Time will tell. But, you know, where is this saying? This is saying like the price at this red line is like, hold on, it's not doing it for me. Hold on. Hold. It's not. Oh, it did do it, but I can't see it because it's a red line. You can see here it's yellow. We're talking $33,000. So, I mean, would it go that low? I don't know. Time's gonna tell. But that's the worst that I could probably see Bitcoin going before we go into this big retracement. I do feel like there's going to be a retracement. I'm going to be bringing a video on alt season because I seriously believe there's going to be a mega wave coming, and I might upload that tomorrow. If you don't want to miss it, become a patron, become a YouTube subscriber. That's the one. Messing up my words. It's not coming out. Become a subscriber, guys. I'm going to leave it here. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, drop that like. Again, give me a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.